Hello, we just get two signals here with the binary Trinax indicator. Here it is a valid signal, and quickly here it is a not valid signal. So we have two signals, one valid, because when you get arrow at the open of this candle, very open in first second, we had here 70 or higher uptrend strength, so it is a confirmed valid trade. And here at the moment of the new candle open and arrow came, we have only 60, so it's not enough. So already you know now the rules. With Trinax trend indicator you have to get confirmation down here minimum 70%. If you have buy arrow 70% or higher, or if you have let's say if you have down trade, then you need like here you need downtrend minimum 70% or higher. So we have to trade in currently trading. So it might be in the money because the arrow itself is very strong. But if you want to have a high accuracy, let's say 80% in average, or 8 winning trades of 10 taken, you should follow this. You see now it is 60-70, between 60-70. It might win, but not so safe. Here we have 90%, and it seems much safer. Although I must say, I do not like to trade on M5 time frame. I use only M15 or even higher, because as higher the time frame is, you are safer that the quick movements on market are less influence to the trade. On 5 minutes still it can influence these fluctuations on market, can influence your trade. On M15 or higher, even higher, it's even better. So M1 do not trade ever. On M1 time frame is only 60 seconds, and you know until you enter the trade you need 10 seconds. And the price can go anywhere. It's too short, too quick movements. It is really unpredictable. M5 is for you which want to have more trades per day. In average, if you use M15, you have really enough trades. You can open 10 pairs and you will have 20-30 trades per day minimum, which are confirmed. So it's really enough. But with M5 you will have double or triple quantity of the trades. So as you can see, we have 80%, and it would be in the money, of course. And even this one, which was 60, now is 70, would finish in the money. So this is live trading. As you can see, we are live. I always want to show you how my indicators works live, not some recording from before and then explaining what was, how it was. The best way is to show it live. So the candle always, the arrow always came at the open, very open. It means first few seconds of the next candle. So you see we get another signal. You see first 2 seconds of the next candle, and sorry, this is not confirmed trade. You see we get arrow, but you see downtrend is 40-50, so this is not valid trade. This is not valid trade. This is a good example to see what is not good and what is good to take. So let's go back to this one finished in the money. You see how strong now is the trend, and this finish in the money is a very strong trend. When you look in history here, it is not possible to be sure that this is a losing trade here. Why? Because we get a trade at the open of this, and maybe we would not take this, because maybe in this moment this wasn't down trend 70 or higher. Maybe it was 50, 40. So maybe we wouldn't take it. So you don't know what was about it, because this indicator trend line is showing situation, the trend now, at the current moment now. We do not know what was a few hours ago or 6 hours ago. These trades which are in the money are probably are confirmed signals, because if you have arrow and this green, it should be more than 70%. You see many signals in the money. But now we are waiting for some signal on 15-minute time frame, so we are going to wait. This is what we have taken. See, and it could finish in the money, but I would never take it. Also, you can use this for forex trading. So this is not indicator only for binary; it's a forex. But for forex, maybe it's better to use, I don't know, on 30-minute time frame or 1 hour or even daily time frames. Let's see this one on daily. Or 1 hour, maybe daily is 2. Sorry. This would not be good. Let's go on 30 minutes. So here, let's say one example, if we here had a confirmation, here on 70%, we would take it for forex, and it would make 12 pips. So this is how it works. On higher time frame, let's say 4-hour time frame, if we also have a confirmation here, so you do not know now what was the situation here 3-4 days ago. But if we have taken this in forex, we will have 70 pips, 18 pips. Or let's say daily. If we have taken this here, it's not so much, 30 pips, or here also 30 pips. It depends. So let's go back to our 25 minutes. It's in the money now. So let's wait. Maybe we get some 15-minute signal, and I want to show also in 15 minutes how it works. Let's see how much we have. You see more, 5-6 seconds. And if you get the arrow on 50 minutes, it will also come at the very open of the candle. So you have enough time to check the confirmation down here. So there is no signal. So I will finish this video. We have seen 2 trades live, how it works. This is, I forgot to say, this is not repainted arrows. So you can switch to, you see this seems to be a losing trade. You can switch to another, let's say, time frame, go back, and still you see this would be here, and all other arrows are on the same places, same positions, not removing, not going to next candle to show the winning trades. So this was a Trinax trend indicator, which can be used both for forex and for binary. And we had 2 live trades. Guys, that would be all for me about Trinax today. Bye bye.